Hello viewers, welcome back to my English class. In the previous video, I explained the structural aspect of past continuous. Now let us take its usage. Past continuous is used to express an action which was going on at some time in the past, which was in progress at some time in the past, which was being taken place at some time in the past. So at some time, it might be yesterday morning, yesterday evening, last night. So sometime, some action was going on, it was being done, it was in progress. That sort of actions must be expressed in past continuous. Take the use. To indicate an action which was going on at some time in the past. Look here. To indicate an action which was going on at some time in the past, which was going on. It's not a present action, which was going on. When? Sometime in the past. So, those two phrases are important here. An action was going on. When? At some point of time in the past. It was being done. It was in progress. Take the example. Yesterday evening, we were watching a movie. So we were watching, this is past continuous. When was that action taken place? When was that action being done? Yesterday evening. So this is a exact point of time in the past. Yesterday evening. Whenever you want to express an action, whenever you want to express a past action which was in progress like that, you must use this past continuous. See, then she was preparing some breakfast. Then she was preparing. When? This sort of sentences can be understood only from the context. Sometimes in this tense, we may not mention the exact point of time, but it can be understood in the context only. So, mentioning of time may not be that much essential if that sentence is understood in the context. So remember that point. Last Sunday morning, I was cleaning my bookshelf. I was cleaning. Past continuous. Last Sunday morning. So past time and particular time. Point of time in the past. Last evening, she was talking to her friend by phone. She was talking. She was talking. Past continuous. When was that action being done? Last evening. So, like that. You can mention a particular point of time in the past. Of course, sometimes you can use that without mentioning the time, but it must be understood in the context. So, this is past continuous. So, look into the usage once again. To indicate an action which was going on at some time in the past. So, in this manner, you have to use past continuous. Now, let us take the examination point. In the examination, you will be given a blank. Verb part is kept blank. Yesterday evening, we dash a movie. Watch. Yesterday evening, we dash a movie. Verb given, watch. How can you recognize in the examination how to fill this particular blank? So, observe the time. Yesterday evening is mentioned clearly. So, it's a past action and some point of time is clearly mentioned. So, by this you have to understand that this sentence belongs to past continuous and fill the blank by recalling the structure, we were watching. So subject was or were, present participle form of verb you have to fill like that. Take this one also. Then she was preparing. Of course, it must be understood in the context. Prepare. So then, so it refers to a past action, and you have to come to a conclusion by the context that it belongs to past continuous. Then she was. Of course, past time is not clearly mentioned. This sort of sentence may not be asked in the examination. It doesn't matter. But in the regular usage, you can use like that. Take this one. This is also clear for you. Clean is the verb. So read the sentence. Last Sunday morning, I dashed my bookshelf. How can you recognize? By observing the words last Sunday morning, it refers to a past point of time in the past, and from this point of time in the past, you have to understand that the sentence belongs to past continuous and fill the blank. I was cleaning. So this one also same. Dash. Talk should be the verb. Last evening, she dashed her friend by phone. So, last evening, past time, point of time particularly, and past continuous should be here. She was talking. So, in this manner, you have to fill the blanks in the examination. So, now let us take the second use of past continuous. Now, the second usage of past continuous. In this usage, we can use both simple past and past continuous simultaneously. This sort of actions happen quite regularly in our day-to-day life. So you can practice both the actions, both the tenses simultaneously. For that, just recall the structures once again. Simple past, subject, past tense form of verb, object. Past continuous, subject, be forms, was, were, present participle form of verb, object. And both the sentences, simple past and past continuous, can be combined, joined by using conjunction when or while, like that. See, here both simple past and past continuous are used simultaneously. When one action was in progress and some other action might happen in the middle. So middle of the action, middle action. One action was in progress and some other action happened in the middle. That action happened in the middle should be expressed in simple past, and action was in progress, was in continuation, should be expressed in past continuous. So like that, two simultaneous actions. Of course, one action was in progress and other action happened in the middle. So take the use. When an action happened in the middle of some prolonged action, both simple past and past continuous can be used. So that is the use. When an action happened in the middle of some prolonged action, this is action happened. Action happened. in the middle of some prolonged action. So, one action was in progress. One action was in progress, prolonged action. It was in continuation. Then, some other action might take place, happened. So, like that. For clarification, you can observe the example. When I met them, they were waiting at the railway station. They were waiting at the railway station. This is past continuous. The action was in progress. Action was in progress. It was in continuation. It was being done. Then this happened. I met them. So I met them. One past action happened in the middle, and the action was in progress. They were waiting at the railway station. And both the sentences are combined by using when, like that. So when I met them, this is the action happened in the middle. They were waiting at the railway station. That action was in progress. Of course, both the actions were past actions, finished actions. Next, a friend came to my house while I was doing my homework. A friend came to my house. Action happened in the middle while I was doing my homework. So this is action. This action was in progress. Both the sentences are combined by using a while conjunction. So a friend came to my house. This is in simple past. While I was doing my homework. So this is another past, that is past continuous. So this action was in progress and this action happened in the middle. This is quite natural in our life, in our day-to-day life. Some actions were in progress and in the middle some other actions might happen. So this sort of usage. Look here, the lights went out while we were taking our dinner. It's a common experience to everybody. Lights went out while we were taking our dinner. We were taking. So that is past continuous. Action was in progress. Another action happened here. Lights went out. She made a call to me while I was giving a speech. I was giving a speech. That action was in progress. She made a call, happened in the middle. So in this manner, both simple past and past continuous, both the tenses can be used together. So this is the second and most common usage of past continuous and of course simple past. And for the examination, we have to take. In the examination, only one blank is given. That is one tense. Usually, this past continuous part is kept in blank like this. I met them. They dash at the, so verb, wait. I met them. They dash at the railway station. And how can you recognize it in the examination? I met them. This is past tense. And happened in the middle. So the other part, that action must be past continuous and both the sentences are combined when, like this. So I met them. When I met them, they were waiting at the railway station. In that manner, you have to recognize the tense. So here also same. A friend came to my house while I dash my homework. Verb do. A friend came to my house. This is past tense, simple past. Action happened in the middle. While is there, conjunction do. I dash my homework. Then you have to recognize thus this part should be in the past continuous and you have to fill. While I was doing my homework. So same is the case also. The lights went out. We dash our dinner. So take is the verb. The lights went out while we were taking. While we were taking our dinner. So this is simple past. Action happened in the middle and that action was in progress. She made a call to me while I was giving a speech. The verb give in brackets So she made a call. Action happened in the middle and the action must be in progress. So past continuous while I was giving. In this manner you have to fill it in the examination if it is asked. So it may not be a frequent question that may be asked in the examination. So this is past continuous.